Okay, this is a 1998 F-250 light duty 5.4 Triton, trying to figure out the noise that it's making. Seems like a pretty common problem. I'll fire it up so you can hear it. Motor sounds healthy, it's just a very slight low end tick. I don't know if it's a knock, a bearing, common in these. I've seen a lot of posts about it. Just wondering if any of you guys had any ideas on it. Kind of hear it. Got good oil pressure. Doesn't really change if you rev it. It doesn't go away. Doesn't get any louder. Doesn't go up with the knock. You know. All right. If any of you guys got any ideas, if it's just common noise, then I'm not really gonna worry about it. But all right. Thanks.